Hi there, homeowners. I'm here to talk about home equity lines of credit, or in our world, we call them HELOCs. They are great to have for different reasons. I'm going to go through a list of them. Paying off some debt, some high interest rate credit card debt. Maybe you want to build or remodel your home. It's great for that purpose as well. It's great if you need it for funding your college fund for your kids that are starting college this fall. You might need it because you want to expand your real estate empire and you want to purchase an investment property. And you might just need it just because you want to have an emergency fund available to you when that emergency hits. And you can't have it immediately when you need it. You need to get it now instead of later when it might be too late to use. If you have any of these ideas and you need somebody to brainstorm with or to just use as a sounding board, please reach out to us. I am here to help you make educated decisions. Talk to you soon.